Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today I will help you train or maybe perfect your Spanish pronunciation with the help of 7 words. My objective or my goal is that by the end of this video you are able to articulate or pronounce Spanish sounds that don't exist in English. You're going to see some words pop up in the screen, and what I want you to do is to think of how you pronounce that word. Think of the position of your tongue within your mouth as you say the challenging sound or challenging letter. Okay, so here is the first word. Where is the tip of your tongue when you pronounce letter D in Spanish, as you say this word? I may be wrong, but isn't it true that the tip of your tongue is behind your top teeth? It doesn't touch them, it is behind them. So do you say dónde? So to pronounce it like a native Spanish speaker, the tip of your tongue needs to touch your upper teeth. You know, letter D in Spanish is pronounced the way you pronounce TH in the word they when you refer to a group of people. So you want to say dónde, dónde, dedo, dama. How was that? Was that something new to you, or was that something that you already knew? Word number 2 is this one. Where is the tip of your tongue within your mouth as you say this word? So once again, the tip of your tongue is not touching your upper teeth, but it is right behind them. Please forgive my English. And your tongue is a little bit curved. So in Spanish, your tongue is almost flat, and once again, it is touching your upper teeth. So we don't say salsa, we say salsa, salsa. Okay, word number 3. So this is a sound that does not exist in English, but it is not difficult to pronounce at all. What happens is that most people who are learning Spanish, again, put the tip of their tongue behind their upper teeth to say niño, when really the tip of the tongue should touch your lower teeth. So put the tip of your tongue behind your lower teeth and say niño, niño. Excellent, very well done. So here is word number 4. This is again a sound that does not exist in English. So sometimes when people pronounce this sound, usually their tongue does not touch any area within the mouth. But really, native Spanish speakers put the tip of the tongue behind their top teeth this time, put it there, and try to leave it there. Try to make a small effort to leave it there as you push air out of your mouth. Now, at the count of 3, let's read the word together. 1, 2, 3. Carro, carro. How did it go? Did it work out? This is word number 5. So how do you say this word? How do you read or how do you pronounce letter T in Spanish? So once again, what people usually do is that they put the tip of their tongue behind their top teeth and they say tomate. But really, the tip of your tongue should touch your top teeth and maybe a little bit of your lower teeth as well, and say tomate. The sound is not as plosive as when you say tomate. Tomate. I have friends whose native language is English and they usually call me Tati, when really my name is Tati. Tati. I don't mind. I think it sounds really cool when they say tati. But if you want to sound more like a native Spanish speaker, you want to put the tip of your tongue in your upper teeth. Tati, tati. Or tomate. So this is word number 6. You may be saying, what's the problem with this word? I find no difficult sound to... There's no sound that's difficult to pronounce in this word. And yeah, it may be true, but what happens is that a lot of people say viajar when they should say viajar. Sound V does not exist in Spanish. Letter V does exist, and it is called letra V. So whenever you see a word with letter V, know that you need to pronounce it the way you pronounce V. Víctor, Bella, vino, vaca. So here is word number 7. So what's the problem, or what happens with this word? Well, sometimes people pronounce this word as caza, but really this sound does not exist in Spanish. And if you are in Latin America, or we people from Latin America, we say caza. You pronounce letter Z as you would pronounce letter S. But if you are in Spain, or if you prefer to talk the way people from Spain do, you want to pronounce it the way you would pronounce TH in think, like caza. Or another word that contains this letter is zorro, but if you're in Spain, you would listen to the word zorro. All right. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions or doubts, please let me know in the comments below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And I will see you guys next time.